The HOMLAND Rollator Walker features a robust aluminum frame, offering impressive durability and a weight capacity of up to 350 pounds, making it suitable for a wide range of users. This stylish rollator combines modern aesthetics with a compact design, allowing easy navigation through standard doorways and adding a touch of elegance to mobility aids. Its advanced braking system enhances user safety, providing reliable control with pull-to-apply brakes and a push-to-lock feature for secure stationary use. Thanks to its dual-fold design, this walker is incredibly convenient to store and transport, folding down to a compact size, ideal for tight spaces and travel. With 8-inch puncture-proof wheels, the rollator ensures smooth movement across various terrains, making it perfect for both indoor and outdoor use. The inclusion of features like a supportive seat, backrest, cane holder, and multifunctional storage bag highlights its thoughtful design focused on user comfort and convenience.